Hello everyone, my name is Six and I'm a Filipino working and living here in Cambodia for almost 10 years now. And I am doing this video because I'm really concerned about what's going on between Thailand and Cambodia. You know what? Cambodia and Cambodian people, they do not want war. I repeat, the Cambodian people, they do not want war. They really want peace. They want to live in peace and they want to have peace, especially with their neighboring countries, Vietnam, especially Thailand. Ever since the issue came up, Cambodia, the government, our Prime Minister here, Prime Minister Hun Manet, stays so humble. He chose to be kind to fix the problem. Even what's happening between Thailand and Cambodia in those borders, our Prime Minister here, he really chose to be kind. He wants peace. He doesn't want war. He is protecting his country. He is protecting his people. He is taking care of the sovereignty of Cambodia. He really wants to stop the war between Thailand and Cambodia. Also, to give you a little idea, Thailand is a bigger country compared to Cambodia. Thailand has more military power compared to Cambodia. And Thailand has more and bigger powerful ammunitions compared to Cambodia. And leaders of Thailand says that Cambodia is the one who started the war. So, if Cambodia started the war, then why not complain or why not sue Cambodia in the ICJ? So please, to all the people who are spreading biased media, who are saying that Cambodia doesn't want peace, Cambodia started the war, it's all a lie. Okay, that is not true. Thailand started the war. Cambodia made a defense. They just defend themselves. They just defend their people. They defend their army. They defend their land. Even until now, the government, the Cambodian people wants peace, not war. So please, to all the Thailand leaders, to all my Thailand friends,